Take a look at this news. Altcoin stocks since February. Will ADA, Sol, LTC, SUI, and the Link finally break out this month? We have no idea, guys. Let's be real. Yes, of course, we're in the tiny ranges. And usually that ranges ends with the some direction, up or down, because when the charts become like tinier, anyway, it's one day will be the big volatile in the market. So you have to be ready for that one and to build a plan. Build a plan because the people usually look only in one direction and they not count the proper money management. So that the problem always with the money management, not even with the risk management. You can trade even without the stop losses. Yes, it sounds weird, but you can trade without stop losses because, for example, let's say the trade with the 5x leverage, right? It can be without a stop loss. It can be better without than the trade with a 10x leverage, and we drop like 10%, right? And you get a liquidation, right? So that's the point, guys. Everything depends on the size of initial deposit or initial amount of money what you put into the trade. That's why the problem not with the leverages, right? And the global targets, guys, for Cardano is relevant. What I don't like with this chart now, we not form the three drives pattern. So 1, 2, and usually it's a 3 sweeps. The zone between the 32 and 11, it's a global accumulation zone for the weekly time frame for the spot. So we are inside this zone now. So if you believe in Cardano, if you love the Hodgkinson, if you love the idea of Cardano, if you in that cult of ADA holders or the ADA believers, you can accumulate it, right? My take is I believe in the bounce. In bounce for this May, for the next 2 weeks, this week and the next one, because I truly believe the May will be red one or green one, and the summer will be red one. Not exactly the June, but July and August, I think, gonna be red, and after that, the still green autumn. So now I would like to show you the local zones, guys, with the brand new indicator, what I just released today. Highly recommend you. It's totally for free. Go on the description below, find the link, and by that link, you will find the indicator. Just press the star. It's a smart money concept indicator. They will gaps or the blocks and break of structure. Oh, I remember that. So you can find it all, everything. So you can add it, and you will see it on the chart. So what we can see daily. Daily now, it's unfortunately the break of structure down. That's why it's so important to hold the line here now and go directly to close this order block, this favorable gap, this favorable gap, and this favorable gap if we would like to see the break of structure. Break of structure going to be here. So it's really important in May to reach, now it's 25 cents, to reach at least the 50 cents to test this downtrend line, what I showed you before. If not, guys, I have a bad news for you. We can see something like this one, even 32, and crash it down again, and maybe even in June. That's why on the daily time frame, unfortunately, there is no setup, right, for the long. No setup for the short, but here, if you would like to trade now, you have to here 12% stop loss with the second leverage. Maybe makes sense to try. So at least the 12 against the 84, maybe makes sense. So let's go back to the weekly time frame. Also, this is a favorable gap. It's so attractive, you know, for the long position, but I don't like this break of structure on the weekly. So you understand, right? So the break of structure on the weekly, not all the time, not bullish one. So 1, 2, and we form the three dress pattern, like 1, 2, 3. Now we form like 1, 2, and this is what I told you. We're not forming the three sweeps usually. It works in an opposite way also, but a bullish one I showed you the best example was on Jasmine target. 12 time frame, the same story. So we just in the tiny ranges. So we build that triangle. You can call it even the triangle, you know, if you trade a classic patterns. And sooner or later, we have to move in one direction. But in which direction? We can't know. I'm more about the bullish targets because usually they treat us before the summer. The summer, it's not a sell time. It's just a less volatile, about a low volatile from institutional, from the market makers. It's just basic market seasonality, financial seasonality, right? And I think they will treat us with some positive hype, hopium. Find the indicator link on the description below. Right, trade on, guys. Trade on the daily. No signals to sell. That's why this one is still relevant. Buy relevant, recommendation, close position, now nothing. Weekly time frame, yes, take profit, buy. So the bullish scenario is still in play. And the most negative scenario can be if we form, for example, something like this one in May and summer drop it down. Basically, I don't know what happened in the world right once again, but drop it even under 20 cents. It's more than real to see because this stop losses it's like liquidity pools. It's so attractive to grab that liquidity, right? And imagine the fear on the market if the Cardano will dump again under 20 cents. Well, 12 time frame, nothing. No bullish, no bearish. ADZ direction, it's neutral ADZ, neutral direction, neutral zone ADZ, neutral direction. So not bullish, not bearish. So for me, it's not enough reason to open a long now. Markets mode, money power. It's disbelief. It's a good one. So it's bullish. Money power, no money inflow. Weekly time frame, it's capitulation. That's why once again, this zone for the spot, it's more than okay. It's more than okay. So you buy in at 24. If we drop once again to 11, you buy in again with the same amount of money. So your average entry will be like 15, for example. And with the 15, you write to the main targets. And this is money in last time was in February. But what is positive, guys, we at the bottom, not at the top of the distribution. That's why priority now, it's a long position. It's buys. Even before the summer, right? So we have to know it. Now let's take a look. The last indicator is take profit. This one I would like to double check. What's going on with that lines here? The third drop, if we will see the third drops, 3 drives pattern, it can be even there with a weak candle to 1754. It's hard to say. Can we form the bottom in June? In Zone 22, yes, I guess we formed the bottom in here, June 23, like you remember. We form at the bottom and go higher. So it was April. Now looks like we trade in this area. I don't remember exactly what happened at that June, but we dump it and never come back to this level again. That's why if something happened now in the market, you can be ready to buy and open the long position. My zone of interest is going to be here, only 1754. If not, I skip the Cardano. Take profit line is 35.56. So positive case, guys, if we will see something like this one, the lines curve up and form the third sweep and recover back in August, for example, or the September. Weekly time frame, of course, we underrated. Fundamental value line of Cardano now is 30.25. Take profit line, it's 80.49. Write please in the comment what you think about Cardano. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I was shown in this video, just write in the DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.